Alright. You're going to see a pour of this reclaimed bullet jacket mammal from the Dodie Incans. See what we have, and if it's worth doing. Alright, we got a pebble in here. Alright, let's put the charcoal to it. Tongs. Okay. Take off the center body. Get ready with the tongs. Oh, that flint. Okay. We'll cool down, get a weight. Had 7 pounds to begin with. And we'll see how much we ended up with. I had just a little bit of brass, some brass slag. I thought, why not? Let's try that. We got a pretty good flow. We'll see what it looks like coming out of that muffin tin. Be back with you shortly.